Today I'm diving deep into my personal experience using GetResponse, a popular email marketing and automation platform that's been around for quite a while. Right off the bat, what stands out is the clean and intuitive interface. You're not overwhelmed with too many options, but everything you need for a campaign is right there. Creating an email campaign starts smoothly. The drag-and-drop editor is responsive and well-organized, and you can choose from a range of professionally designed templates. Customization is simple enough even for beginners, but advanced users might find it lacking some layout flexibility. Moving into automation workflows, GetResponse really shines. You can build visual automations with various triggers and actions, like user behavior, clicks, and purchases. It's all visually mapped out, making it easy to follow. However, if you have very complex workflows, it might feel slightly restrictive compared to high-end platforms. But for most businesses, it offers more than enough. Landing pages are solid. They load fast and are easy to build. There are mobile optimization options, which is a huge plus. That said, I noticed some occasional glitches in the editor that required refreshing the page. Nothing major, but worth mentioning if you work fast or have tight deadlines. Webinars are also built into the platform, which is a rare feature. The integration is pretty seamless, and you can manage invites, signups, and post webinar emails from one dashboard. This alone can save you from juggling multiple tools. However, the webinar quality can depend on your internet connection and sometimes lags with large audiences. Many useful links you can find in the description. Now, about the customer support. It's decent but not outstanding. Live chat is available and responsive, but deeper issues tend to be resolved slower via email. The knowledge base is comprehensive though, so you can often troubleshoot on your own. Analytics and reporting are sufficient for tracking opens, clicks, and conversions. They also give you insight into who's engaging with your content and when. It's not as detailed as some competitors, but it gets the job done. You also have A/B testing tools, which work well for testing subject lines and content layouts. On pricing, GetResponse is competitive, especially with their free plan and tiered pricing model. It's scalable, so small businesses can start out without investing heavily. However, once you start adding advanced features like webinars and automation, the costs ramp up quickly. So keep an eye on your monthly bill if you're scaling up. Another thing to consider is integrations. GetResponse connects well with most major platforms, Shopify, WordPress, Zapier, etc. Still, there are some niche tools it doesn't play well with. You'll need to use a third-party connector in those cases. If you're looking for a one-stop solution for email marketing, automations, landing pages, and webinars, GetResponse is worth considering. It's reliable, scalable, and user-friendly. But if you're an enterprise user needing deep customization or high-level CRM integration, you might find its limits. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more honest tech and marketing reviews.